Hi. So during my Metahuman animation process inside Unreal Engine 5, in my case 5.3.2, uh, I found a very annoying issue, which is like if we want to select multiple controls and move them all together, we select first the outline of the faceboard, which is very annoying. So the solution for this is we need to go to the MetaHumans folder and then the common, and then inside common, go to the face. And in the face control, we look for the face control board control rig. We open this blueprint. Just a sec. Where are you? Here it is. So we can dock this here. And then we select MetaHumans facial board, and in here, instead of in the animation type, instead of animation type, we change this to visual cue. We compile it. I'm not sure if this is needed. Then we go back to the viewport, and then voila, we can only select these controls. Now we can move it just the controls we want, and they are grouped. This only happens from 5.1 uh, and and above. 5.0 doesn't have this problem. So yeah, basically that's it. Hope you guys understand it. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you.